how to convert a PDF to Excel. So I have this PDF file here, which I want to convert to Excel. How do we do it? First, let's open up a web browser, and we want this website here, ilovepdf.com. Then you want to drop down all PDF tools here, and you'll find in the Convert from PDF section, PDF to Excel. Now you can drag the PDF onto this file here, but let's select the PDF file with this big red button. Let's locate it. Let's select this one here, the financial one. Press open. We have two different options here. We'll keep it on the free option, Convert to Excel. It should quickly do it, even though this is a big PDF. Now it should automatically download at this stage. If it doesn't, press this big red button. As you see, mine already has, so we'll open it up in the downloads folder, and there it is. So that's how to convert a PDF to Excel. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.